In today's class, we'll discuss ISC Board Paper 2026, English Paper 1, Language for Class 12th. On the basis of curriculum for the year 2026, question number 2, which is for the directed writing, there are two parts in this question, and both parts are compulsory. A. Directed writing. The piece of directed writing must be based on the information and all the points provided. Keep in mind that you don't have to leave out any single point provided in the question paper. The required length is 250 to 300 words, but my suggestion is that you kindly adhere to the upper limit. That means you write at least 300 words, including all the points which are given in the question. The range of subjects includes feature article, book review, speech writing, newspaper report, and statement of purpose. Skills such as amplifying, describing, and restating are involved in this. The candidate's ability in the above skills, including format, will be taken into account as well as their ability to handle language appropriately in the context of the given situation. First of all, we are going to discuss feature article writing, which is the first part of directed writing. Here we are going to get choice between number 1 feature article writing, number 2 book review, number 3 speech, number 4 newspaper report, and number 5 statement of purpose. Question paper itself suggests us that we must not exceed 55 minutes if we are attempting question number 2, which means that the first part, which is for 15 marks, will be out of these 5 topics, right? And other part will be proposal writing, which is compulsory because we don't have any other alternative for proposal writing, right? So please keep in mind the time limit in which you have to attempt. First of all, make a rough draft at the back of your copy, as I always suggest you. You may cancel it out, you may do it with pencil, that's your choice totally. Now, children, we must keep ourselves abreast with the latest know how as far as CISCE guidelines are concerned. So, I always do that. Okay. So, if we know the latest, we should discuss also about feature article, which is a piece of writing that may be addressed to a past event or a pertinent issue or a theme. It may be a newspaper article or written for a magazine or a journal. It may be persuasive, informative, entertaining, or discursive in nature. It expresses writers' personal views. It includes the following: number 1, heading, number 2, byline, and number 3, formal tone. These numbers are not to be mentioned anywhere. I'm just telling you so that it becomes easy for you to understand. So, heading will be preferably in block letters at the center of the page. It may also be in running, the way you write title of any story. Byline should be in the next line at the right hand side, towards the right hand side margin, and the tone should be formal. I hope you understand that much. So, question number 2, part 1, which came in 2025, let's discuss quickly. Write a feature article in about 300 words to be published in your school magazine on the topic the importance of sports. Your article must use the guidelines given below, inculcates discipline, hyphen, builds teamwork, hyphen, has health benefits, hyphen, develops leadership qualities, hyphen, leads to character building, provides career options. So this was for 15 marks, right? This came in board examination 2025. Suggested answer number 1: as per CISC guidelines, sports play a significant role in promoting overall well being, encompassing physical, mental, and social health, Participation in sports offers numerous benefits, including improved fitness, stress relief, and the development of essential life skills. One of the most valuable lessons sports teach is discipline. Regular practice, adherence to rules, punctuality, and consistent efforts help build a strong work ethic and self control. These habits extend into academic and personal life as well. Sports also encourage teamwork. Working together towards a shared goal helps individuals learn cooperation, trust, and effective communication. Being part of a team fosters a sense of belonging and teaches respect for different roles and perspectives. The health benefits of sports are widely recognized. Physical activity improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles and bones, boosts immunity, and helps maintain a healthy weight. As far as the mental aspect is concerned, participation in sports reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, promoting a more balanced and focused mind. Leadership qualities are naturally developed through sports. Players learn to take initiative, stay calm under pressure, and make quick decisions. Captains and team leaders build confidence and responsibility, traits that prove useful throughout life. Sports also build character. Athletes experience both victory and defeat, learning to handle success with humility and failure with grace. The ability to persevere through challenges builds resilience and emotional strength. Sports provide exciting and diverse career opportunities. Beyond becoming a professional athlete, one can explore coaching, physiotherapy, sports journalism, management, and event coordination. Fields like sports media, analytics, and rehabilitation are also growing rapidly. In conclusion, sports are not just about competition, they shape individuals into healthier, stronger, and more capable human beings, both on and off the field. So, one more alternative can be possible. Another suggested solution is as follows: the importance of sports. Sports are more than just games, they are a vital part of our growth and development. From inculcating discipline to building teamwork, sports play a crucial role in shaping well rounded individuals. Regular practice, adherence to rules, and commitment to improvement teach students the value of hard work and perseverance. This discipline often translates into other areas of life, including academics and personal relationships. Team sports, in particular, foster collaboration and communication as players learn to trust their teammates and work towards a common goal. These skills are essential not only in the field but also in future careers and everyday life. Health is another area where sports make a profound impact. Regular physical activity improves cardiovascular health, builds strength, and enhances mental well being. In an age where sedentary lifestyles are becoming the norm, sports provide a fun and engaging way to stay fit. Beyond physical health, sports also nurture leadership qualities. Captains and team leaders learn to make quick decisions, motivate others, and take responsibility, building confidence and preparing them for future leadership roles. Moreover, sports contribute to character building and open up diverse career opportunities. Facing wins and losses teaches resilience, humility, and sportsmanship, shaping emotionally intelligent individuals. For those passionate about sports, careers as professional athletes, coaches, sports journalists, or physiotherapists offer exciting paths. In conclusion, sports are not just about physical activity, They are a foundation for lifelong skills, values, and opportunities. By participating in sports, students can build a healthier, more disciplined, and well rounded future. Let us embrace the power of sports and unlock our full potential. One thing you may take as a disclaimer, children, that you may not get exactly the same question, but of course, similar questions can always come because this topic remains very important. Physical well being is always related to topics related to mental stress, stress management, time management, meditation, yoga, therapies, alternative therapies for healing, many other modalities, new things coming up so as to become a better version of ourselves, improvement in our personalities. So, whatever topic you get which is closer to this, you can always take help from these two solutions which I have given you, and that is why I have worked hard to, you know, let this topic reach you somehow so that you get those important points on your fingertips which will enable you to write something else using the same points in a different way, of course. I hope this helps you. Thank you. Dear students, you may comment and ask about more queries. If there is any other topic, I would be happy to help. All the best. Happy learning.